Hey everybody, Ian here, TradeStalker.com. A quick recap for you for July 12th, 2018. You can see these are the levels that Mike had given from the prior day, and this level up here at 2802 was one that he talked about intraday, so I marked it on the chart just because we were getting out of the range of the normal levels. But you can see we had a gap open, and immediately we moved down and pulled back towards this 81 to 82 half level, and the market just reacted dramatically quickly off there, spiked up, and that was the low for the day. And you can see how the market just reacted to each of these levels, pulling back and using this 87 half to 88 half as support for a move up to the 92 half to 94 level, which then acted as a resistance for another move back to the 88 half as support, finally breaking through. And again, now that we've gotten through this area, it uses that as support and attempts to get towards the 2802 area, where it gets to 2801, just shy of it, and then sells off a little bit into the close. It kind of goes sideways. But you can see this is just a good example of how these levels work: support and resistance. When it breaks through a level of resistance, it becomes support, and vice versa. And having Mike intraday talk about the chat and stuff as well is super helpful. I also see some ebook setups on here that would guide you along with these levels. So if you have any questions about that, you can contact Mike at TradeStalker.com and pick up the ebook, which is very useful. Hope you guys have a great evening, and talk to you soon. Thanks.